Hello, geometry students. Welcome back to another episode of your Unit 1 study guide playlist. Now, we're going to go ahead and look at this next problem. This next problem says lines X and Y are parallel. So we got to find our lines X. This is line X. And this over here is line Y. They are parallel. This line right here with the arrow, this line, that is our transversal. So we got to identify a few things we know in order for us to create an equation that will represent this problem. So the first thing we need to show, or the first thing that we need to know rather, is that angles H and F, so I'm going to go ahead and write that down right here. H and F, they are corresponding angles. They're on the same side of corresponding angles. Whoops, I can't even spell tonight. Give me 1 second. There we go. Corresponding. What does it mean to be a corresponding angle? Let's see. Can anyone tell me what is corresponding? Okay. No, that you're talking about alternate interior angles. Corresponding angles are angles that are congruent. They are the same. Okay. I know I did hear some of you say corresponding. So for those of you that said corresponding, you were correct. So corresponding angles, they are the same. They are identical angles. They are the same. So H and F are the same. But what do we know about angles A and H? Angles A and H, they form a straight line. Since those angles form a straight line, we can say that A plus H is equal to 180 degrees. Perfect. So now, can we say the same thing about F if they are corresponding angles with H? So is F, sorry, whoops. Let me rephrase that. Can I say that A plus F is also going to be 180 since we know H and F are corresponding angles? Yes, we can. So the equation that I can write is A plus F is equal to 180. And how do I know that this is always going to be true? Well, I'm going to go ahead and write out, comma, since H and F are corresponding angles, that means angle A, plus angle F form a straight line. Perfect. So if they form a straight line, it's automatically given that it is equal to 180 degrees. So since H and F are corresponding angles, that means A plus F forms a straight line. I forgot the S. Forms a straight line, comma, since A plus H, don't forget your degree symbol, since angles A plus H is also a straight line. Straight line. Okay? Perfect. Hopefully that statement made sense. If it didn't, you can always raise your hand and I'll be happy to explain that problem for you. Okay? We are done with this problem. See you in the next one. Later.